Hello everyone, so welcome back to Electronic Labs. Today in this project we're going to build a very simple Arduino robot car using a joystick module, an OLED display, an L298N motor driver, and a 2 DC motor. So in this project we're going to learn how to control 2 DC motor using this joystick, and the OLED display will show the movement, the direction of the speed, percentage, and the joystick value in the real time. So the components you're going to need will be Arduino UNO and OLED display, L298N module, and a joystick module, and a 2 DC motor. And if you have the well, it's of course you can use it. If you don't have the well, just to show how it's work, you can just use a DC motor. But of course, if we are building the car, of course we need to have the well. And to give the power, we need to have a power supply, which would be either, if you have the 9V battery, you can use 9V battery, and if you have this LiPo battery, one battery will be 3.7 volts. So I have 2 battery, it will be 7.4 voltage. So this is a rechargeable. And if you don't have this battery, you can use at least 12V or 9V battery or a 6V battery. So this DC motor will work. And of course, we're gonna need a jumper wire. What we're gonna do is, first we're going to connect the cable from a joystick to Arduino. So the joystick to Arduino, we're gonna make here 5V VCC. I have a 1 5V VCC. I'll link from here 1 in and 2 out. It will share with OLED display. So OLED display, we have the 5V VCC, it's right here, and I get a power from this Arduino 5V here. Oh, that's the ground pin. Arduino 5V, and the ground pins, I will take it here. So here's the ground. The ground, it will share as well. And then here we're gonna use 3 jumper wire, which is x-axis or y-axis. So x-axis we connect to A0, and y-axis we connect to A1, and the switch we connect to this is pin number 2. And the OLED display, we're going to connect from here SCL and SDL. SDA is A4 and SCL A5. So from the joystick and OLED display is complete. We're going to use 2 DC motor right here. So one is from one output, and this. On this side. The tire is right here, and this side. And number pins in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4. So in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4. So in 1, yes, we goes to this pin number 5, and in 2 is the pin number 6. In 3 is the pin number 7. In 4, 8. And from here, number pins we goes to this is the pin number 9. 8, 9. We must not we must be very careful that which pins we connect to. And the ground is very important. So right now, this ground from Arduino ground, we need to link to L298 ground right here. And from the battery here, we need to remove first for our safety. And here's positive. So it can be up to 12 volt. You cannot access more than 12 volt, otherwise it will burn. Okay, so the connection, everything is complete, and we're going to upload the code. And here's the code. Let us upload this code. Done upload. Okay, right now done upload, and then we can see in OLED display right here. So right now the direction is a stop, and if we move our joystick here, it's left, stop, right, forward, and the reverse. So let's try to put a power here. So make sure everything's connection is in correct position, otherwise your components can be burned out. So let's try. So the right side is not work. So it must be sometimes it's your jumper wire connection. So here is forward, and here's reverse, and here is left and the right. So right side is not work. So we need to check our jumper wire, either is connect same properly here. So sometimes we need to check our jumper wire connection. So right now everything's fine. So that we can see in this OLED display. So if you think this video is helpful, please help me to support, like and share, and comment. And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I'll see you in the next video.